Let's be honest. How many times have you waited for that strike of motivation so you can start acting on your goals? Hey, we've all done it, man. I'm not saying that I haven't, but the reality is that motivation is unreliable. We think once I feel inspired, I will finally take action. But if you depend on motivation, you're just setting yourself up for failure. That's what I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to talk about what really drives success: discipline. And by the end of this video, you have the right to stop waiting for motivation and start building habits that last. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, here's why most people don't achieve their goals. It's not because they lack talent, consistency, or even time. The real issue, they focus too much on the destination and not on the journey. They get caught up in perfectionism, procrastinate, and give up when things get hard. Does that sound familiar to you? Not because setting a goal is easy, but the challenge is sticking to it. Here's the thing. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Here's the truth. Reaching your goals is not by taking giant leaps. It's about taking steady steps daily. It's about creating habits that align with your vision. Big goals can be intimidating, but when you break them down into manageable actions, they become achievable. And you also have to understand that progress does not happen overnight. When you show up consistently, even on days that you don't even want to do it, even on days that you don't feel like it, that's when the magic happens and the habits start to form. Now, if you want to fix this motivation problem and start making real progress, here are 3 steps you can take. Number 1, clarify your why. Why is this goal so important to you? Will it make a big impact in your life? Without a reason, it's easy to lose motivation. So write it down and remind yourself every day, why is this goal so important? Number 2, focus on systems and not goals. Goals give you a direction, but systems are the ones that give results. Let's say your goal is to write a book and your system is to write 500 words. Build system that makes success inevitable. Number 3, track and celebrate your small wins. Don't wait until you reach the finish. Acknowledge those small things, those small celebrations every day. They keep you motivated and reinforce progress. Guys, this is this moment where everything can change. Not tomorrow, not someday, but today. You have the power to rewrite your story, to defy the odds, create a life that inspires not just yourself, but everyone around you. It starts with a decision. So stand up, step forward, take what's yours. The world is waiting for your greatness. Let's make this the beginning of something extraordinary.